Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So the last couple of days, I've been saying that this could be a wave C here. That definitely could start a much bigger move to the downside because this would be an A, this would be an A, B, C, a B, and we'd likely go down, take out the low of wave A for a wave C. Now, in order to know that it's going down, we need to see a break of structure at a Fibonacci level. Just a Fibonacci bounce isn't enough. We had a pretty good push down, but there was no break of structure. It was a higher low. It was a higher low. So far, there's no reason to say that it is going down yet. We don't have a significant lower high, and we don't have a break of structure at a Fibonacci level yet. So the trend is definitely still up. Now we go down to the sort of time frames. Unfortunately, the break of structure is way down here. These little breaks of structure right here do not tell me of anything of any importance whatsoever. I definitely would be looking for longs unless we get like a double top and then a big push down and a big break of structure. If it does go up and make a double top too, by the way, then I would also move my next most significant structure level to here. As in, if it breaks this, I would definitely become bearish because that's the type of proof I would be looking for to tell me that this is the end of a wave B on like the 4-hour to daily time frame. As of right now, the trend is up. The trend is your friend, and I would be recommending longs in an uptrend still. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.